Staking Solana on Phantom is one of the easiest ways to earn passive income, and here is how to do it step by step. First, open your Phantom wallet. Make sure you've already deposited some SOL into it. You'll need at least a small amount left for transaction fees. Next, scroll down and find Solana, click on it, and then click on the three dots that says More here. Now, click on Stake SOL. Here, you could choose liquid staking, which is recommended, or you can choose native staking. For me, I'm going to choose native staking. From here, you'll see a list of validators. These are basically the people or groups you're delegating your Solana to. Don't just pick the top one. Scroll down and choose a validator with good uptime and lower commission rates for the best rewards. Once you pick your validator, enter how much SOL you want to stake. Confirm the amount and the transaction and approve it. Phantom will automatically create a staking account for you. And that's it. Your SOL is now staked. Rewards usually start showing after a couple of epochs, which is about 2 to 3 days. The best part, you stay in control. You can unstake anytime, but remember it takes a few days for SOL to unlock. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.